with 5-step with hesitation, then side cross from promenade position and then follow reverse slip pivot. Lady starts with right foot back, to side, forward outside partner and to side in kinda lunge line, and then turns to promenade with right foot to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side, then cross in front, back, back, then back in Fallaway position, turn, forward between man's feet and pivot. Let's look again. Man steps, man starts with left foot, forward, to side, back in CBMP, then to side and lunge line and turn to promenade position, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side on toe, then cross behind, forward, to side, back in Fallaway position, now back and slightly to side and pivot. Now let's pay attention to the 4th step of Fallaway reverse slip pivot. If man takes step directly back in line with the lady, this is wrong. This is not correct. Now let's look at correct way. So man takes 4th step across line of lady's movement, so lady can step between man's feet, and this is correct slip pivot. With teaching count and quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. And again with teaching count. And quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. Now let's look at outside swivel, then promenade pivot and closed finish. Lady starts with right foot back, then to side, then man will cross lady's line, lady goes forward between man's feet, then forward in promenade, now she closes promenade and then pivots, forward, side and close. Let's look again. This time we focus on man's steps. Man starts with left foot forward, then to side. Next step will be across lady's line of movement with right foot, back and swivel. Now forward. Now man leads lady to close promenade and continues with pivot, then back to side and close. With teaching count and quick, 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 quick. So 8 quicks. Let's look again. Quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at progressive link and then Fallaway whisk. Lady starts with right foot back, now she goes to side and then turns sharply to promenade position, then to side in promenade, forward in promenade. Now man will cross lady's line, lady will continue between man's feet, forward, then to side and cross behind in Fallaway position. Man will start with left foot forward, then to side in promenade and leading lady to open promenade, to side in Promenade, forward in Promenade. Now man will cross lady's line and goes to side, then to side. Now man will lead lady to open Fallaway position, again open lady and step back in Fallaway position with teaching count quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Let's look again. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion. Quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick and quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 and quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick and quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at routine to music. You enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.